We're going to make a pecan. It's a maple sweet and rich pecan bread. It's a quick bread. Oh, I'm gonna make that in a little. We are now making the maple pecan bread. But first I have to oil the pan. Trying to do all these different things in one day. To oil the pan. It says, oops, my hand has oil, so let me just take care of this first. Oil the pan. Okay, oil the pan. Then it says prepare oven 350. Okay. Grease and flour a pan. Okay. That's for the flour. The oil I'm done with. Now flour the pan. This is a little messy sometimes when you do it like that. Pan look like. Other than flour. That's what the bread is gonna go into. That's everything in here. In here will be all the ingredients. Now my ingredients, done with the flour. My ingredients say to mix in a bowl, stir together quick bread mix, butter and milk. Okay, so with my one cup, I have my bowl. And now it says this is the mix. This is the bread mix. Everything in here. Justice galore. Can I just clean? Ah! I'll have to clean again. Oh, all that dust is going to be all over the counter. Okay, this bread is a maple sweet and rich pecan quick bread. Okay, so we have that in there. Mixing stuff. It's a butter and milk. This is my butter. Should have put the butter out earlier, but I forgot about that. And it says 8 tablespoons, 1 stick of butter. That's it. Butter is there. Now, milk. Let's see, stir. I'm gonna be down before, so say stir together. It smells good. You can smell the maple. Oh, it smells really nice. It smells really good. Maple and pecan. I'll show you what it looks like. Looks like this so far. Now I have to cook it. Wow. When they say quick, they are serious. It is quick. Wow, see? That's good. Okay, now eggs. That's the egg. 2 eggs, what, 1 at a time, let's say. And stir. Stir it properly before I put the next one. See, 1 egg is in there now. This is it. Now, 2nd egg. Eggs on my hand. Yeah, the red's not good. I don't know if anyone in my house likes pecan, but we will see. This is what our quick pecan is looking like. Pecan bread. Now I gotta pour it in there. Because when you make stuff, you have to. This is my floured pan, see? Now I'm gonna be pouring. That's my pecan. This maple smells really good. It's maple syrup. Let's wash. Now this is it. Getting ready to go in the oven. See now the oven is at 514 and it's 334. We gotta put it in at 350. The oven is ready. 350. We're gonna open this oven up and we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it in here to bake in the oven. See, next time we say it will be all done and we'll be enjoying it. Oven is closed. Let's say bake for, I see it has to be in there for comes clean. Okay, 50 to 55 minutes. This is the whole thing right here. This is what I'm making. We're going to check our bread. Remember that bread we made? Wow, this is what it's looking like. Checking to see if it's ready. It is ready. See the knife? This maple bread is looking good. Checking different parts of it to make sure. Yep, it's good. Wow. Our bread. Hold it. I take this off. Wow, it came out nice, beautiful. This is the maple pecan pumpkin. Sorry, this is the, let's see what this is. Okay, this is the maple sweet and rich pecan bread. Yep, focus. This is what I just made. This is going to be delicious. I hope they love it. Finished product. The slice of that bread that I baked. I am going to enjoy this with a cup of tea.